Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a receipt using your confirmation number in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Tools and Services section, look for the Search a Receipt button and click on that. And to search with your confirmation number, just click on the confirmation number button at the top of the page. So in order to view your receipts, you have to provide the following informations. So your confirmation or e-ticket number. Your confirmation number is a 6-character number that you can find on your boarding pass or receipt. Or you can use your e-ticket number, which is a 13-digit number that is also that you can also find on your boarding pass or receipt. So provide that, and then your first name and your last name, and then just click on the search button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.